Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is September 6, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures this morning trading higher by 4 points to 2463.5 per contract. Markets right now holding pretty steady ahead of the opening bell. We do have lots of stocks in the news, so that's where we're going to focus our attention this morning. First stock we're going to take a look at is going to be HPE. This is Hewlett Packard Enterprises. Remember, they spun off into two companies now. HPE upticking a little bit, closed at 1404. The company reported earnings, now trading at 1435 a share. So a little uptick there. I don't know if we can make much out of it. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. I'm not looking to do much with it at the moment. Let's take a look at Dave & Buster's. This is ticker symbol PLAY, Play. Stock right now is trading at 54.69, closed at 58.14. So this is a pretty good haircut. I will have a level ready for us in the intraday stock chat room for this name. Just remember, it does trade, usually trades under 1 million shares a day, so it may overshoot a little bit higher risk play. But I think I have a pretty isolated mathematical level. I'll post that up in the intraday stock chat room in just a little while, right at 9 o'clock. So we'll see how that plays out. But PLAY will be in play this morning. Let's take a look at HOME, which is At Home Group. This stock is trading at $26, closed at $25.63, briefly got up to $27, has pulled back a bit. So I don't think there's a lot to do here. When I looked at the daily chart, I did see this big resistance point right here, and you can see that's right at 26 bucks. So again, lots of resistance there, but stock had a nice little move. We'll see if it can hold up. This is kind of a new issue as well. It's only been around since August of 2016, so there's not a lot we're going to do with this one at the moment. Let's take a look at Monster, MNST, Monster Beverage. You'll see this stock's trading at 57.50. This is on renewed speculation that Coca-Cola is going to take them over. I don't know if it's going to happen. That rumor has been around for years. Again, it hasn't happened yet. But again, it is making its way out there on the news wires, so we'll see if it does move the stock. Let's take a look at GoDaddy. It looks like they're going to sell 20 million shares in the open market. The stock is getting hit hard today. Closed at 45.18. It is now trading at 43.60. I'll have a level for GoDaddy, but it's a bit lower. So again, come on over to that intraday stock chat room. I'll show you the level we're looking at. GoDaddy could be in play today. Let's take a look at NWL. This is Newell. And what you're going to see here is stock is trading sharply lower. Closed at 48.72. Now trading at $46. This stock is getting pounded today on the news that they're going to guide lower, I think, due to the hurricane. So we'll see how this plays out. Either way, there is going to be some support around $44.95. Keep that on the radar. Did get down to $45 this morning. That's still a pretty good support level down there should it retest. So again, look for a little pierce of 45, and we'll see how that plays out. Still should be pretty decent support. Let's take a look at JKS, which is Jinko Solar. This stock right here is trading at $25.90. Closed at $26.95, so this is down ticking a little bit. I believe they had earnings. There's still a fair amount of support around $22.80. We'll see how it plays there. Again, I'm not looking to do anything with it here just yet. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings today. Travago, TRVG, I believe, is the ticker symbol there. It looks like they guided lower today. This stock is getting pounded. Closed at $14.93 yesterday. It is now trading at $11.05. I don't even have a level to give you for this stock. It's getting hit so hard. So again, the IPO price, I guess when it came out, the IPO low, the day of the IPO was $11.10, and you're actually below that now. So I don't think there's anything to do here. But Expedia does own 59% of this company. So again, Expedia is getting hit on the news. That is trading down at 143.10, closed at 147.61. So Expedia could be in play today. I have not had a chance to work out good enough levels yet for Expedia, but I will, and I'll have those either posted up in the intraday stock chat room, or we'll talk about it when the chat room starts up right a little bit past 9 o'clock. So again, Expedia will be in play today. Let's take a look at G3 Apparel. GIII is the ticker symbol there. And you're going to see that this stock's getting a nice little bid today. Closed at $27.54. I believe this is on the back of earnings. Now trading at $28.82. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. Your maximum upside that I could see for this stock is around $31. I don't really see it getting any higher than that. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. You don't want to chase it up here at this point. Let's take a look at CSX. I did see earlier there was some news on CSX. Stock was down pretty sharply, but it's kind of bounced back. Closed at $48.99, now trading at $48.50. So we're not going to make much out of that one. UAL, though, I believe guided lower. So United Airlines getting hit today, trading at $59.20, closed at $61.10. I'll have some levels ready for us to trade UAL. Right off the bat, I am seeing some nice spots here. So if that stock does trade lower, we could get a play there. You also want to keep Delta on the radar today on the back of that United news. That could go down to around $44.20. I love that level there, though. And then you're going to look at American Airlines, ticker symbol AAL, also getting hit today on the back of the UAL news. And that stock will have some good support around $41.85. So keep those on the radar today. We'll see how those play out. But they could be in play any moment now. So we'll see how this all goes. We'll see where we are, and we'll take it from there. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is flat on the session, trading at $1,344 an ounce. So gold has been a big stellar mover as of late. But you can see here, really just flatlining right now. Trend is up on gold, but it's very overbought. But again, any kind of North Korea news, gold just waits to jump. So again, we'll see how that plays out. Crude oil at the moment is higher by 40 cents. Make that 50 cents. So crude oil right now trading higher by 55 cents to $49.22 a barrel. Take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF. You'll see that's trading at $10.05, up from the close of $9.92. So oil's upticking. We have a big storm in the Atlantic that will likely hit Florida, they're saying. Also, it's going to attack the Caribbean, so we'll see how this all shakes out. But again, that is definitely keeping a premium in crude oil. Also, it looks like Russia said they're open to production cuts, which is always the case. Anytime crude oil moves lower, you always get the Saudis and the Russians saying they're open to production cuts. So again, expect more of that, and we'll see how this all plays out. All right, with that being said, everybody, once again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. With that being said, my name's Nick Santiago. Have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.